Hello viewers, welcome to our today's tutorial. Today we are going to start our new series about freelancing on Fiverr. For this, our task is to see how to create an effective and eye-catching profile on Fiverr so that you can easily hunt your projects and browse them and will get awarded those projects. So let's begin. The first of all thing, after creating our profile on Fiverr, we will add our professional image here. Here is the image option for your Fiverr profile. You must remember that you have to add your professional photograph over here. Do not add any stylish or any something else photo. Then is your name showing here. As I have created this account for tutorials, so I have given here name is a gig verification. Then it is the main thing that here is that you have to add your main tag for your services here. So as I am going to create my profile for e-commerce virtual assistants, so I have added my tagline as e-commerce professional virtual assistant. So next, as my country name showing, and then it is showing how since when I am member from here. So going down, I will get the description. I have added this description that I am working as VA for local clients. I am experienced in producting, hunting, listing, etc. You have to add all of your services and skills that you are going to provide in your services over here. So I am going to offer my services like product hunting and listing. So I have added two here. And now I will be your virtual assistant for e-commerce store because I am offering my services for Amazon, eBay, Daraz, and etc. Then I have added a special line that I will offer complete base services. It does mean that I will work for my client from A to Z. That is, I will hunt a product from him. I will manage to arrange product from manufacturers. I will manage to ship those products either to Amazon warehouse or to direct FBM procedure, and then I will manage to market those products. Then here is the option for languages. You have to add your languages here as well, but always remember you must add at least two languages here for your profile. Then is the option for linked account. It is most important thing in your Fiverr profile. First of all option is Facebook. You must never give your Facebook profile for the attachment in your Fiverr profile. It is because 99% of us uses our Facebook profile for our personal relations, so that's why we do not have that much professional look of our Facebook profile. So remember never to add Facebook profile on your Fiverr account. And next is Google. Since I have signed up on Fiverr from a Google account, so that I must that Google account is already attached with my Fiverr profile. Next is Dribble, not interested. Stack Overflow, not interested. Then is Behind, Basic, not interested. GitHub, not interested. Vimeo, not interested. Twitter, yes. All the services you are going to provide on your Fiverr profile. You must create a new Twitter account with the same name as your name on the Fiverr, and then you will add your Twitter profile to the Fiverr account. This will be help you in targeting more clients. Whenever you are going to create a new gig on Fiverr, do it publish on your Twitter as well and share with the people. Then I will add my skills. Here I have added skills just like e-commerce, virtual assistant, Amazon product listing. Try to add minimum of 5 skills over here so that you can get easy and good response from your clients. I have added my skill here. First skill is Photoshop as well. It does mean that I have hunted a product and when I'm going to upload my product listing on any e-commerce store, I have to work on the profile images of my products, so that I must have to edit them. I must have to create them, so that the skill Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator, one of them is most important for here. So next is our education portion. Here you must have to add your education portion in the respective field that your services you are going to offer on Fiverr. So as I am going to offer my services for virtual assistant for e-commerce websites, so I have added my education as MBA, Master in Business Administration, and I have selected my specialization as marketing management. That does mean I will offer complete solution to your e-commerce store. Then is the option for certification. Always try to add some certification in your Fiverr profile. It will be much more helpful for getting new clients. If you have not done any certification, If you have attended any ceremony, if you have gone through any seminar, you must add that in the certification portion so that your profile looks good and sounds good. So that's all for today. We will continue our series, and from tomorrow we are going to launch our new video series for Fiverr tests. For Fiverr skill tests, we will create videos for you and share for you to improve the chances of getting viewed of your profile and to improve your profile to get in top 10% of the Fiverr. So stay tuned, and that's all for today.